Hold tight, little ones. Our bedtime Nook journey is about to begin. Get ready for our first story. Now, with the turn of a page, let our wings of imagination take flight.
In a distant forest, each animal had its unique home and role. This forest was not just their habitat, but also the cornerstone of their harmonious existence. In the northern part of the forest, the bear family oversaw honey production, known for their sweet honey that was the envy of the animal world. To the south, rabbits diligently cultivated vegetables and fruit trees, ensuring their gardens were always filled with bountiful harvests. In the western reaches, the squirrel family managed the storage of nuts, and their warehouses were perpetually brimming. And in the east, the wise owl's library held the forest's wisdom and memories. This harmonious life appeared unbreakable, but one day, an unexpected message shattered the forest's peace. An immensely powerful storm was looming, carrying with it the potential for devastation that could annihilate their homes. The animals congregated beneath a colossal oak tree, their customary gathering place for discussing significant matters. The chief of the bear family was the first to step forward, using a deep and resounding voice, declaring, "We ought to construct robust shelters, employing our strength to confront the storm." Yet the rabbits exchanged fearful glances, fully aware of their fragile homes' vulnerability to the impending tempest. The rabbits proposed, "We should dig burrows, seeking refuge underground until the storm passes." Meanwhile, the squirrel family desired to amass more food reserves in preparation for hibernation. As each animal clung to their respective plans, an enterprising young fox emerged. Renowned as the forest's clever one and an exceptional problem solver, the fox suggested, "The storm is a natural force beyond our control, but we can minimize its impact to the utmost. Let us collaborate, harnessing each individual's abilities to construct a grand refuge." This idea swiftly gained the support of the wise owl, who cast its sagacious gaze upon the assembled animals and proclaimed, "The fox is correct. We should unite, jointly constructing a substantial refuge. This endeavor shall not only safeguard ourselves but also our beloved homeland." Thus, the animals sprang into action. The bears took charge of felling trees and transporting heavy materials, while the rabbits were responsible for digging and building the foundation. The squirrel family scoured the forest for food, and the wise owl directed the design and construction of the refuge. Each animal contributed their finest skills, all working toward a common objective. Day after day, night after night, the animals toiled diligently. The storm's approach grew ever nearer, and the sky progressively darkened. However, before the storm's arrival, a colossal shelter stood completed. This refuge was not only robust, but also cozy, fully equipped to withstand the impending tempest. Ultimately, the storm swept through the entire forest with a ferocity far surpassing the animals' imaginations. Nevertheless, thanks to their unity and dedication, the shelter endured the test. After the storm subsided, the forest bore signs of destruction, yet the animals' homes remained intact, and their bonds had grown even stronger. This experience imparted a profound lesson. When confronted with adversity and challenges, unity and cooperation are the keys to overcoming all obstacles. And that courageous fox was immortalized within the wise owl's library, becoming an indelible part of the forest's history.